Feed the good. R-E-U.
She wanted a book proposal. Did you provide that?
I did.
You're not pressing me.
Judge Judy. Today at 4, followed by ABC 6 News at 5.
Hey guys, today is a construction video.
I'm Alex Trebek. If you're aged 50 to 85, this is an important message. So please write down the number on your screen. The lock I want to talk to you about isn't...
It might be blurry because Flash is on here and I can't take it off. So yeah, it might be blurry.
But be careful. Many policies you see do not have one. But you can get a lifetime rate lock through the Colonial Penn program. Call this number to learn more. This plan was designed with a rate lock for people on a fixed income who want affordable life insurance that's simple to get. Coverage options for just $9.95 a month, less than 35 cents a day. Act now, and your rate will be locked in for life. It will never increase. Your coverage can never be canceled as long as you pay your premiums. And your acceptance is guaranteed, with no health questions. You cannot be turned down because of your health. Call for your information kit and gift. Both are free, with no obligation. Don't wait. Call this number now.
Alex Trebek is a compensated endorser. Call 1-800-650-8500 for your free information and free gift. There's no obligation. Or visit us at colonialpenn.com. Call now.
Some guy got stuck. If you guys can see in the corner back there, yeah. You can see him in the,
You were not a fan of Chuck Schumer's decision to end the government shutdown without a DACA deal. And now President Trump has a new proposal on the table. A path to citizenship for dreamers, about 1.8 million dreamers, so more than we thought before, and $25 billion for a wall.
I need something to cover that.
No, his proposal is going to really end
There we go.
reunification as we know it.
Kind of fixed
When
it.
I look at this issue of our dreamers, these are kids who came to our country. These
Hmm.
are parents when they were young. They have no other country but the United States as their home. They may not even speak a different language. They love this country. They are college kids. They are serving in our military. They're business owners. They have families. And to rip them apart is contrary to the core values of this nation. Our diversity is our strength. If the fact that this is a country founded by
There you go.
immigrants is not lost. This is a country founded by immigrants, and it's what makes our economy grow. It's what makes our communities vibrant. It's certainly at the heart and soul of New York.
Do you agree with Nancy Pelosi when she says he wants to make America one again, and that's what this is about?
I think a lot of President Trump's rhetoric is racist, and let's be very clear. When someone
Stay right here on the East Hampton little thing.
I need something to drink
when
too.
someone uses the phrase change migration, it is intentional in trying to demonize families. Literally trying
And
to
later
demonize
I'll show you guys
families
something
racist
in
or
the video.
And so we have to change the debate. These are people, these are families, and as elected leaders, I mean, the way I look at it, I'm going to fight for your child and these children as much as I'm going to fight
So
for my
annoying, all
own.
that
And
stuff
is our
down
job
there.
as elected leaders to fight for these kids.
How do we get to a compromise on James? How do we get to yes?
I guess they're done using the machines.
The most obvious thing, which
Wait,
unfortunately
no they're not.
the majority is not
Oh,
allowed
there's
to
the
do,
guy
because
still
it's
in
not
that
allowed.
machine
It's just an up or down
that they're
vote.
putting
If
stuff in.
we had an up or down vote today, we would pass it. Overwhelmingly, Americans support the DREAM Act. They want these kids to stay. And that
Is there only like 3 people now?
is why that is the
I'll be right back. I'll go check in the other window.
I mean, is this issue worth another shutdown if Congress, doesn't reach a deal on this by this next deadline, which I believe is February 8th?
I think we should fight for our dreamers, period. And when the Republican Party holds all levers of power, and not allow us to have an up or down vote on something that's bipartisan, that is worth fighting for. These dreamers are worth fighting for. Our children are worth fighting for. Our communities.
Yeah, I can't
It's a moral issue. And I think it's one of the most important
find other people except these 3 guys.
Who are we?
One's in the cat. That's what it's called.
I heard that you were bringing a special
And 2 guys are putting stuff in the
I am
claw.
bringing Mayor Cruz, who is the mayor of San Juan in Puerto Rico.
They're putting a lot of stuff in there.
Extraordinary, and I want to make sure we don't forget about our fellow citizens in Puerto If you can imagine for a minute, these families in Puerto Rico are going through some of the worst crises ever. They don't have clean water in some places on these islands. They don't have.
If you guys can see at the bottom right, the very bottom of the right, you can see at the very bottom right, you can see a little flag.
You had no electricity.
A little flag.
You couldn't have a refrigerator. How would your life be affected?
See if you can find the big building
Americans, and we're doing nothing for them.
with a white door.
No.
Okay, I guess you found it. Because it was right
New Yorkers will allow me to continue to serve. I really
there, above my finger. Big brick building. There we go. Yeah, at the very bottom right, you can see a little tiny flag. At the bottom right.
Code.
Oh, guys getting out.
I just walked back there and just walked back out here.
Definitely have things to stand up against in this country right now.
It means women standing up together. There's women who are standing up and saying, no, me too, and I'm going to watch out for my sisters on set.
It sets an example for any other abuser that their time is up. We're not done yet.
Oh, you know. It takes telling it
Well,
like it is.
when we're done here,
Here we go.
the doctor
Is
this
the
morning,
rock
he
too
was a doctor.
strong?
We will back you up. We will
He's going to
stand
go get
with
Joe.
you.
She's got her doctor's appointment, which is just a checkup.
I'm gonna go draw. I'll be right back.
And then they were
You're
probably
almost at the
gonna-
bank, sweetie.
I was gonna.
What did mommy say about throwing Mr. Rabbit?
That was from me. Dragons to a bank to talk about a mortgage. I'll have a full-blown tantrum.
Where else would we go for a loan?
Lendingtree.com. You can pull over right now and get up to 5 competing loan offers for free.
Get free loan offers faster than you got out of the house. Lending Tree. When banks compete, you win.
This is amazing.
No, this is amazing. Built-in stacks.
Ooh, I wouldn't. Why use 3 skincare products when you can use one that works? New Garnier 3-in-1 moisturizer with 96% naturally derived ingredients.
Yeah, it's gonna be short break because she was been here for shoes, so now I gotta do it.
New Garnier
We're starting.
3-in-1
I got
moisturizer.
Logan with me.
These birds, once affected by
is it okay if I
oil,
bring
are
it in?
heading back home. Thanks to Dawn.
If they don't want to
Rescue
take it.
workers only trust Dawn because it's tough on grease yet gentle.
Okay. Alright, we'll do. Okay, alright, we'll do. Bye.
Real energy harnessed from the earth. Nature Valley. Looking to save even more.
Alright, so that's in the video. If you guys like that, smash the like button in the face. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya later.